po ng learnings, lahat ng valuable insights na natutunan niyo mula sa amin from the 2-day training that we had. Sana po maging medium para sa inyo yon to become the best version of yourselves. Not only in for life business, but also para po sa mga personal lives. Once again, congratulations everyone. Palakpakan niyo po ulit ang bawat isa. And now we are at the last part of our Diamond Academy, and that is our graduation day. So let me read our certificate. This certificate, or this certifies that our participant for this batch have completed a 2-day Diamond Academy, your map to success, from May 21 to May 22 of 2026, given this 22nd day of May 2026 at 4Life Manila Office, Mandaluyong City. Signed by our Director for Business Development, Mr. Chavez Mancelungan, and our 4Life Philippines General Manager, Ms. Aileen Tan Dario. So let me call our first graduate. Congratulations to you, Elisa Permido. Of course, let's call on our Assistant Manager for Training and Business Development, Mr. J. Lord Casalia, to award our certificate. Next, congratulations to Yanesa Andaya. Next graduate, congratulations to Vincent Tambaran. Next, congratulations, Maria Cristina Martinez. Next, congratulations, Remedios Ramos. Next, we have Milagros Oruga. Congratulations to Carmen S. Ramirez. Next, congratulations to Mario Nava. Next, Evangeline Caracas. Jason Villasin. Lawrence A. de Guzman. Brian Quinquito. Next, congratulations to Melissa M. Paderay. Congratulations to Melchor Sablan. Evangeline Guru. Juan de la Peña. Nora J. Cruz. Clemencia T. Jacinto. Christopher G. Zamna. Last we have Cristina S. Martinez. Okay, so again, congratulations. Graduate pala pa kayo na po yung mga sarili nyo. Yay! And at this moment, we would like to invite everyone to please join us sa unahan. Bring your certificate for our official group photo. Again, we would like to invite everyone to please join us sa unahan para sa inyong official group photo. Please bring your certificates with you. Alright, 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay. Alright, and then we'll give you guys at least 3 minutes para po masuot ang inyong mga Diamond Academy shirt. Pwedeng ipatong nyo na lang.
Ay, hindi naka-timer. Ay, hindi naka-picture.
1, smile! Okay, so okay guys, gagawa tayo ng video for may bonus na. So si Teacher Bess muna ang una. Okay lang yan. Naka-focus lang sa kanyang camera. Yung kita-kita yung mukha ng ganyan.
Ito, si Ate Angel.
Ikaw na, Teacher Bess. Okay. Hindi mo naman kailangan sumigaw. Okay? Kaya mo yan. Okay, zoom tayo kay Teacher Bess. Okay? Zoom na.
Mamay Zoom.
Hoy! Ganyan yung may bonus na natin. Okay, Teacher Bess, rolling tayo. In 3, 2, 1.
Ha? May bonus na? May
bonus na! Walang benta.
Kasi hindi pa kayo nag-dinner.
Malalakas mula sa lakas.
Okay. So pagkatapos po ni Teacher Bess, may bonus na. Sigaw kayo. May bonus na din. Mataas yung energy. Yay! Mataas yun. Mahaba dapat mga 3 minutes. Okay? Rolling tayo. Teacher Bess, focus tayo. Rolling in 3, 2, 1.
Ha? May bonus na?
Sasagot kayo, may bonus na! Yay! Teacher Bess, yung mga estudyante mo talagang pinapahirapan ka. Okay tayo. Last take tayo everyone ha. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Naka-graduate nyo lang. Rolling tayo in 3, 2, 1.
Ha? May bonus na? May bonus na!
Okay, thank you so much everyone. Again, congratulations! And then, yung dinner niyo po, pwede niyo pong pick up din sa kabilang side ng ating training room. Pwede niyo kainin sa labas or pwede niyo i-take home na bahala.
Congratulations, Sir Norman. Congratulations.
Congrats.